Hello boys and girls, ladies and gents, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim and today I'm going to teach you a healthy recipe that's fun and tasty for the whole family. So before we get started, just like in yoga when we set an intention for our practice, I encourage you to set the intention of playfulness and fun when you bake this recipe. It starts with a B and ends with a D. It's banana bread. So you don't have to go completely bananas, but just invite a sense of playfulness and lightheartedness to your baking experience, and I guarantee you'll have a lot more fun. Yoga is a wonderful practice, but mindfulness and intentions do not have to be super serious all the time. In fact, if we take ourselves super seriously all the time, that can create stress in the body. So sometimes it's really healthy to just laugh, release endorphins, be silly and playful. So I encourage you to set the intention of playfulness. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. You're going to need 2 to 3 very ripe bananas, 1/3 cup organic coconut oil. This is a replacement of butter. 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 cups gluten-free organic coconut flour, 2 large beaten eggs, 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1 pinch, just a little pinch of sea salt, 3/4 teaspoons of stevia. So I love stevia. Stevia is my favorite sugar substitute. It is the only alkaline sugar substitute on the market, and as far as we know, there are no adverse side effects like with aspartame that can cause osteoporosis and other sweeteners. Stevia is my favorite sweetener. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And we're ready to get started. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Spray loaf pan with cooking spray or grease with coconut oil. Mash bananas until smooth. Stir in the melted butter substitute, in this case organic coconut oil. Add baking soda. Stir in sugar substitute, I recommend stevia. Add the salt, the 2 eggs, and vanilla. Pour batter in loaf pan and put in center rack of oven. Bake 50 minutes. Store in airtight container. Don't slice until completely cool. Try a bite. It's really good. So there you have it, a gluten-free banana bread. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know how this goes for you. Let me know if your bread turns out as crumbly as mine today, or if yours turns out better. I would love to hear from you. And remember to have fun and bring levity to your baking process. Namaste.